Let me show you how to adjust DPI settings for Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So first of all, you will need to open a settings on your phone. Then you will be able to find all of the DPI settings in the display options. Now scroll down in here, and first of all we can select font size and style, which allows you to change to different font styles if you like. You can go for a Gothic bold if you prefer more accessibility, as it gives you a thicker font on that phone. Sorry. Next is you can activate bold font, which gives you even a thicker font. And here we can find font size slider, so you can adjust the size of your font. As you can see, it becomes bigger on the right and smaller on the left. So pick whichever option you like, and then we can go back. Next option we can do is a screen zoom, which allows you to adjust the entire display size on your device. So you can literally zoom in your screen or zoom it out with the minus button, or as I said, zoom it in with the plus. And finally, last thing is camera cutout, and from here you can select which apps will get a camera cutout and which one. So just select whichever one you like, and then you can hide camera cutout for this one or show camera cutout for this one, which will also make your display a bit bigger without the camera cutout. And that is basically everything.